Hi there. Welcome to another session with Seibert Media. I have a guest. It's Deatsch from Atlassian. Hi, Cameron.
Hi, how are you doing?
Fine. We're where?
Oh, we are at the Atlassian Summit in San Jose, California. It's our annual user conference here in the US.
And there may be trams going by that will be louder, but we'll be quick.
Yeah.
So we want to talk about events in Germany, Switzerland, Austria.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us more about it.
Yeah, actually starting in October, we realized we have a ton of very large customers out in those regions, and we're actually going to do a series of events locally in the major cities across those countries, specifically designed for our largest enterprise customers.
And you will also be there yourself, right?
Yep, I will be actually, me or my team will be speaking at every single event. I'm specifically speaking at the events in Zurich and Vienna, but we'll have Atlassian representatives at each of those events. But more importantly, we'll actually have customers speaking at every single one of those events, sharing their best practices in deploying Atlassian technology.
So it's basically in all German bigger cities and also in those other countries in the
It's
DACH
about
region?
nine cities over a period of about 4 or 5 weeks.
And we'll put a link below, so please click it. And is it mission? Does it cost something or is it free?
No, this is a free event, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when should I come? What's the target group? When am I ripe for this data center thing? Can you iterate on what it is and why I should care?
Our primary focus is, well, Atlassian has a ton of customers in those regions, and our primary goal is to actually get some of the more enterprise customers who are running our applications at scale or attempting to transform their entire business, to come and learn about best practices and maybe how they address major roadblocks in adopting things like Agile or DevOps at scale, or if they're trying to transform their entire kind of collaboration in their business, how we can provide them with new practices to embrace that transformation. We're looking, so you come at all levels, we'll be covering, but it will be primarily for our existing customers. However, if there's new customers or prospective customers, there's a ton to learn there as well, because you'll definitely see if there's major potential issues that other companies have run into over the years that you might be able to get around them as you deploy your technology.
What's your favorite feature in data center products that you want to highlight in this short video that will make me turn from a server to data center?
Data center is not about a feature. It's never going to be a single feature. Data center.
But that's the silly question now.
Well, it's a silly question. Now I'm going to give the correct answer. But the data center is a separate deployment option we built at Atlassian. And we built it specifically for the largest 3,000 or 4,000 customers we have. We have 100,000 customers at Atlassian, it's like 90,000 and change, but there's really about 3,000 or 4,000 that are running us at thousands and thousands of users at true scale, and they have a set of requirements that is fundamentally different from that other 97,000 customers for scale, for disaster recovery, for high availability, for performance, you name it. And data center is all about supporting those unique customer needs.
Okay, so my favorite feature is that you can deploy, I would call it basics, that you can deploy to multiple instances, and that's better scale. There's also what I also like especially for Germany, is the zero downtime upgrades, because this is like people in Germany really want to have their set hours. And what is that?
Yeah, so that actually is, if we had to call out specific features, zero downtime upgrades, which we just released in the latest few versions of Jira, allows you to upgrade your Jira instance without actually taking down the environment. So if you're deploying Jira on a set of servers in a cluster, you can take down one node in the cluster, upgrade it, put it back into the cluster, and then take down the next node. So this way you can upgrade during the work hours, you can upgrade while there's full load on top of your applications without ever even your customers and your employees ever knowing it happened.
Yeah, so I did attend one of your early events on this already. I think there was a pretty good turnout of customers. I wish that this video will help to convince you to come as well. And it was a very packed day, a lot of information, and probably the best way to find out if data center is right for you. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Thank you for the time, and I hope to see you at the events.